Hi guys. Okay, so I'm not with Metro anymore. I am with AT&T. Okay, so I'm not with three in a room anymore. I'm in a two in a room dorm. Finally. Also, I got my nails done, and I feel weird because I actually like them. But then, where is the sound? Like, it's not making any sound. But they are so convenient. I can do everything I did in my natural nails with them, and I don't know, like, it just ah. Okay, so fuck you. Why is this? Why is this? Why is this on my bed? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and uh give you guys a room tour. So this is supposed to be an empty room tour. Pardon my messy table. I just got back and my messy bed. I might not even show you my bed, but there's just stuff because I'm trying to unpack. I just really want you to see what's like the two in a room is like compared to like the two in a room I came from originally. So there are definitely a lot of perks to a two in a room and just one downside. And I'll tell you the downside as we're going. Yeah. This is my roommate's bed. This is the second bed in the room. There are two light switches, like two sockets, sorry, beside her bed. One socket for the lights. This one is for this one. This one is for the central light. Her personal study table, and then my personal favorite thing in this room, the amount of wardrobe space that you get. Okay, this is her wardrobe. This is one person's wardrobe space. A little drawer down there, then goes on. You can put things up there too. This is my roommate's wardrobe space, not mine, obviously. This is my wardrobe space. It's basically the same layout, it's the same thing. Everything is the same. I just personally love it so much because I never had the opportunity to have this much space in my other room. And this is the scenery from here. Like, there's really nothing much. Back to the actual room. This is my bed. I have two sockets. I actually have three sockets beside my bed. I have this is the air conditioner switch, and I don't know what that is. I know it is for something, but I don't know what it is. There are two, sorry, hold on. There are two light switches behind this table. This is my personal reading table and reading chair. It has a stain. I think I'm going to wash this out actually. I don't know what the fuck this is. But yeah, this is my situation currently. This is what my situation is looking like. Now onto the bathroom, because I personally like one of my personal favorite things about this room is the bathroom. When you walk in here, the first thing is a mirror. Hi guys, this is what the bathroom, the toilet. Sorry, this is what the toilet looks like. It's just one toilet in its own personal cubicle, which I feel like is very good and can obviously shut. I think the door is broken. Then you have the shower. You have the shower, big shower head. You have this one. You have the one for buckets. You have where you can put your soap and light, obviously. So that's what, and where you can hang your towel. That's what the room is giving. Do I think that the room is anything special? Not so much, but I feel like it's very customizable and it's very personal because you get like your own study table, your own wardrobe, um, your own bed. Obviously, like, always get our own bed. I forgot to show you the only difference between this room and my old room. Well, there are a lot of differences, but the only upside the other room has is that it has compartments on the bedside, like on bed this place where the part that rests on the wall on the bed. We have compartment there where you put things in, but you don't have that here. But you definitely have a table to yourself, and you have more wardrobe space. You don't even need the compartment the amount of wardrobe space you have in this place. So I feel like that's a very very big upside. I definitely like this better than my old room. I think the difference between the two rooms is like 100,000 naira or more, and then availability because this dorm is always filled up. Like I was calling and calling and calling to make sure I got a room. I reserved, and then I was so worried because what's the possibility that somebody has already reserved the room and it was a mistake or a glitch in the system? That's how unavailable this particular dorm room is. This dorm, as in particular, is. I'm lucky, and I got a room. I got approved for this room, and this is my room now. It's 7 p.m. and I need to pack up everything because I have stuff everywhere. My stuff's on the floor over there. I need to put stuff away into my wardrobe. I need to pack up my makeup. I just did a makeup for Instagram, so my eyes are black because of I don't know, it didn't come out. So yeah, and I need to clear the bed. I don't have anything to sleep on, so I'm honestly just clearing this bed for clearing sake because I cannot sleep any. Like I don't have a bed sheet. They're bringing my bed sheet for me tomorrow from the laundry. So yeah.